is Altus Campus's 8-part series on radiation safety. My name is Joseph Mahoney. This is episode 3. We'll be talking about radiation quantities and units. In this talk, we'll talk about how radiation units were originally developed, starting with physical quantities, biological quantities, what units you're going to see when we talk about amounts of radiation, and why you should care what these quantities are and what the units are. Learning objectives that you want to pay extra attention to. What units are for absorbed dose and effective dose, and what do absorbed dose and effective dose mean? One thing I really want you to come away from this talk with is how to convert between rem and sievert. These are two units that basically mean the same thing, but you're going to see both forms of them probably in regulations and badge reports and so forth. At the end of the talk, I'd like you to know what the reference point is and why it's important. What uses you're going to have for these units, basically why you should care, what absorbed dose or effective dose are, or gray or rem, what these units, why they're important. And finally, I'd like you to know what you would use what instrument you would use for a scatter survey, for like a radiation safety survey for an X-ray room or a C-arm